300 Juliet Whiskey's ready to taxi from Signature with Romeo.
300 Juliet Whiskey, where are you again?
I'm at Signature.
Okay, 300 Juliet Whiskey, turn right on Romeo and hold short of 6 right.
Right on Romeo, we'll hold short of 6 right, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Clearance Endeavor 5148, we got Romeo with code 328 Romeo.
Endeavor 5148, departure will be 12465.
65, thanks. Montreal, connect jet 860s, Toronto with Romeo.
300 Juliet Whiskey, contact tower now, 199, they'll accommodate you with the backtrack.
Okay, 1990 Juliet Whiskey.
Bonjour, Transat 111, autorisé pour l'ILS 6 gauche.
Bonjour, bonjour, numéro 2, 737 qui est 3000 final, avant 06023, rafale 33, très terrible, 06 go.
Aux atterrissage 6 gauche, on vérifie numéro 2, pour l'instant, Transat 30.
300 Jet Whiskey, are you with her?
Yes, sir, we're here, hold short of 6 right.
Roger, 300 Jet Whiskey, so from the end, backtrack runway 06 right.
Backtrack 6 right, want to go all the way?
Your choice, if you wish, 300 Jet Whiskey for the information. If you wish to take it, being the Alpha 2, you have 5,200 feet available. Being the Alpha 4, it's 7,150 feet available. If you were the full land, it's your choice.
Okay, we'll backtrack down to Alpha 4, November 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Roger.
Guess nobody's coming in today, too windy?
Everybody's landing 6 left, and I have nobody departing 6 right, so you're lucky.
Oh, good, good. I didn't know it was open again. All right, 2 and takeoff. Powers achieved, setting out cross checks. A1,
Bateau, tu as 782, visuel pour 24 gauche, correction pour 06 gauche.
Ça se 2 bonjour, devant 060 à 20, rafale 33, très terrible 06 go.
Très terrible 06 gauche, tu as 782.
Departure citation, November 300 Juliet Whiskey, 3.1, climbing 5,000.
300 Juliet Whiskey, good afternoon. Montreal departures are radar contact, climb flight level 230.
2300 Juliet Whiskey.
300 Juliet Whiskey, turn right on a heading of 230.
2300 Juliet Whiskey. Pressurizing.
300 Juliet Whiskey, proceed direct Fonz and on course.
Direct Fonz on course, Juliet Whiskey. Alright, now after checkoffs, we got them all done, but we'll confirm here with the checklist. Landing gear's up, flaps are up, throttles are in the climb detent, passenger safety is required, exterior lights are good up to 18, and pressurization's good, and altimeters are good until we get through 18. Take off my pullover. Again.
Et départ, bonjour, Jazz 7124 avec vous dans le virage pour le cap 350, on fait le payer 3000 pieds.
Jazz 7124, bon après-midi, départ de Montréal identifié, montée 1-2000 pieds, direct All-Saint en route.
Alright, we're good to go too.
Et on monte 12, direct All-Saint en route, merci, Jazz 7124.
300 Juliet Whiskey, contact Boston Center on 135.7.
3570, Juliet Whiskey, good day.
Good day. CJ3 heavy.
Alright, welcome back. Hopefully this battery will last all the way. I don't know, I've been having issues with these GoPro batteries. The Hero 12 used to be, since that's my newest camera, it used to do okay. It used to last a long time.
Level 270, box 651.
We'll see, we're about 35 minutes out. I thought I'd get some of this. We might time lapse this going through the clouds. As we approach this layer, it's minus 22 rat.
0 Papa Mike, contact Cleveland Center 126.905.
So I will get on my engine heats.
695, Pop Mike.
We're getting bumps here as we go down.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, reset transponder squad 0503.
0 Juliet Whiskey. It's weird how the wind and temperature change, everything affects the power. We were going too fast a second ago, now it's slowed down. I got my power almost all, well, set at cruise.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, descend and maintain for level 280.
280, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Center, Charlie 676, with you passing 15.5417000.
Down 3671, Washington Center, Roger, climb maintain for level 270.
Climb maintain for level 270, Charlie 676.
Number 4 Delta Papa, contact Cleveland Center 124.4.
124.4, Delta Pop. See ya.
Foxy 651, contacting York Center 133.47.
3347, Foxy 651, good day.
Good night.
Center, Charlie 676, just want to confirm that call to climb 227 at what's for us.
November 0 Juliet Whiskey, descend and maintain for level 200, expedite your descent all the way down for traffic.
200, we'll hurry down, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Airfield 6207, contact Cleveland Center 132.12.
Lovely.
32.12, Airfield 6207, have a good day.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Washington Center 133.55.
3355, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Washington Center, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, 31-6, descending 200.
300 Juliet Whiskey, Washington, 2,500 feet a minute, we're better down.
Roger.
No, Washington Southwest 2122 with you 15,000 for 230.
So 2122, Wash, climb and maintain flight level 270.
Climb 270, Southwest 2122.
Doing 2,000, I thought I had plenty. We'll get the wings on too. We'll do the tail if we start seeing ice on the windshield.
Air Shuttle 6157, what's your rate of climb?
Air Shuttle 6157 right now, about 1,500 feet a minute.
Excellent. Can you keep that rate or better through all of us at 27 for me?
All right, 6157.
Washington Center, good afternoon, American 32, correction, 2314, out of flight level 320. We're descending via the Raven 7. We didn't get a runway transition.
You're not going to get a runway transition on the Raven 7, American 2314, thank you. You'll get the assignment by donkey.
Okay.
Washington Center, good afternoon, 3751 out of 139, climbing 17,000 to Daughter.
3751, Washington Center, climb and maintain flight level 270.
Climb, maintain, flight level 270, now 3751.
Air Shuttle 6157, contact Wash 13327.
3327, 6157.
Wash America 688, way out, come out 8 for 120. American 1624, descend via the Troops 5. They are landing to the south. Dallas is 2950.
2950, descend via to the south, American 1624.
Ice out there.
American 688, way out at 9 for 12000.
Hell, that'll probably
I hear somebody climbing at 12,000. I don't think you're supposed to be with me. Let me go back. Thanks.
Don't turn on our tail. What air temperatures?
Number 0, Julie Whiskey, I've got that fixed for you. It is direct to Thal. Tango Hotel Alpha Yankee, or Alpha Lima Lima. Directed THALL. This is to avoid airspace, and after Thal, direct NB for the NB3.
I'm sorry, I was tuning you out there. I thought that was for somebody else. What was that again for 300 Juliet Whiskey?
Direct to Thal. This is for airspace avoidance. Tango Hotel Alpha Lima Lima. THALL, then Henby for the NB3.
Okay, T-Hall for 0 Juliet Whiskey. That's a no one for me.
Washington Booster 5133, 27.5 down to right now 240 for the Gibbs, direct to Kilmer.
This is 5133, Washington, Roger. And 0 Juliet Whiskey. Looks like you didn't have Henby after that, but I want to make sure after T-Hall, it's Henby for the Henby3 around to Greensboro.
All right, T-Hall, Henby, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Blue 65133, descend and maintain flight level 210.
Maintain flight level 210, Blue 65133.
Southwest 2122, climb and maintain flight level 380.
All right, climb 380, Southwest 2122.
Number 0, Juliet Whiskey, excellent job. I appreciate it. Contact Washington Center 134.4.
34-4, 0 Juliet Whiskey, thank you. Washington Center, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, 200.
Citation 300, Juliet Whiskey, Washington Center. Alright, Lima Bravo, contact Potomac approach 132.85, good day.
13285, good day, Lima Bravo.
0 Juliet Whiskey, descend and maintain 16,000, Roanoke altimeter 2970.
2970 down to 16,000, was it?
Affirmative.
16, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Temperature 9. 2.96. Altimeter 2973.
Uniform Tango, Washington Center, descend and maintain 11,000, 1,800 feet a minute or greater in the descent. Let's go, loop for altimeter 2969.
Tango 0. 089105610 089200005.
I gotta get you really low before I continue back on course to Lewisburg because I've got active military space.
Notice to air mission. Taxiway Delta closed between taxiway Kilo and taxiway D2. Taxiway Charlie closes between runway 32 and taxiway Charlie 1 semicolon. Taxiway Delta 1 closed.
I know they're using 3-2.
ILS runway 23 right slide slow out of
2973, I
service.
believe.
ILS runway 32 out of service. Runway 05 right and runway 32 precision approach path indicator out of service.
Should be good.
Read back all runway hold short instructions. Contact ground on 121.9 for clearance and taxi
Uniform Tango
instructions.
fly heading at 070.
Advisory initial contact.
680.
You have information Juliet.
Juliet.
Greensboro Airport AITIS information Juliet 1754 Zulu. Wind 310 at 15. Gusts 28.
Nice.
Visibility 10. Few clouds at 6,000. Few clouds at 2,000. Ceiling 25,000 broken. Temperature 9er. Dew point -6. Altimeter 2973. Remarks.
All right.
AO.
We already know about that. We're going to program the approach. We need an RNAV 32 because ILS is out of service.
Is there Uniform Tango descend to maintain 9,000?
9,000 now, 680 Uniform Tango.
We still got all our tail de-ice on, our engine and wing anti-ice is turned on still because it's -5 and we're in the clouds. We're getting a little ice on the windshield now.
0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Washington Center on 124.05. Good day.
2405, 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day. Washington Center, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, 16,000.
300 Juliet Whiskey, Washington Center, roger. The damn altimeter 2971.
2971, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
November 6 Romeo Echo, contact Raleigh approach 127.67.
12767 for Romeo Echo. Good day.
Good day. 2015, contact Washington Center 134.4.
34 for American 2015.
Zero Golf Papa, descend via the All-Dan 4, arrival landing southwest, Raleigh altimeter 2971.
Descend via the All-Dan 4, landing southwest, and what was the meter again?
Raleigh altimeter 2971.
2971, Zero Golf Papa.
Just motor along. Camera's still going, got 70% battery, so hopefully it lasts.
Number 481 Zulu, are you direct Tri-Cities Airport or are you direct to a fix somewhere?
Eastern Maka, it's the final approach fix for the ILS.
Roger, can you spell it for me?
Zulu, Mike, Oscar, Charlie, Charlie, Alpha.
481 Zulu, roger, thank you.
300 Juliet Whiskey, cross Henry at maintain 12000, the Greensboro altimeter 2973.
NB at 12, 2973, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
All right, 12 is set, VNAV is armed. I'll start down in about 4 minutes. All right, I'm going to try to give temperature call outs for Dominic. So shout out to Dominic. Hopefully he'll watch this video. Hopefully it comes out.
3456, center maintain 17,000.
Right now, just for educational purposes, we're at 16,000. The saturated air temperature is minus 19. I don't usually look at that. I'm looking at RAT temperature, which is ram air temperature, which is what it feels like to the airplane. So it's minus 3 RAT, minus 19 SAT. A lot of pistons you'll see outside air temperature versus saturated air temperature. I don't know, who knows, but anyways, it feels like minus 3 to the airplane. So when it's plus 10, I can turn off my heats, even though it might be still below freezing. I'm going so fast through the air that the friction is heating up the skin, so it feels like, you know, it's kind of like a windshield in the opposite direction because you're going faster. Causing friction.
3456, contact Washington, center 134.
Best way I can explain it, right?
34-4, voluntary 3456.
All right, we're going to put our sun visor back up here. All right, about 2.5 minutes to top of descent. And we will get that double chime when it's 1 minute top of descent. And that kind of wakes you up so you know to start thinking about pulling the power back so you don't overspeed in the descent. Now it's minus 18 at 16,000 feet. And it's minus 1 ISA, which means it's 1 degree colder than standard temperature for this altitude. So standard at this altitude would be 20, right? On a standard day. And they just kind of have some kind of a ballpark timeline for, or reference for all your performance numbers and everything. They come up with a standard day, sea level, all that jazz. Kind of in between layers now. Kind of on the tops of some of them and off to the right, it's you break out of it.
Otis 24, Washington, center auto, maintain 17,000, damn altimeter 2971.
2971 up to 17,000, Otis 24.
And I've got it programmed in the box for a 3 degree descent angle, which at this speed equates to about 1,981 feet per minute.
Washington 222, Juliet Mike, flight level 220.
Almost 2,000. There's the 1 minute, the double chime 1 minute top of descent.
222, Juliet Mike, Washington.
You can see my little VNAV is
Maintain
armed.
direct head before us for 2 Juliet
The little carrot is at the top of the
about 1 minute
band.
coordination, I'll get you Greensboro.
Thank you.
And he's going to give us Greensboro, I guess 2435. We have Juliet, right? 2435. Got my XM going on my side.
Juliet Mike,
you guys aren't listening to it.
Greensboro for 222, Juliet Mike, thank you.
Copyright. But when I go through 10,000, my XM will cut off. Fortunately, I'm not singing along. I almost sang along.
600 Golf Papa, contact Raleigh Approach 127.
You guys don't want to hear that.
2767, Joe Golf Papa.
I get all kinds of warnings on my videos if I started singing. All right, the VPATH is capturing.
Good afternoon, Washington Air 442 Kilo Alpha, 8,000.
442 Kilo Alpha, Washington, Rotterdam, altimeter 2971.
2971, 2 Kilo Alpha.
All right, I'm going to call out each temperatures at each altitude, hopefully if I can remember here. All right, when we come in, we're coming through 15,000. 15,000, the temperature is, at the time, the temperature will be, all right, it's saying minus 18, minus 3 is the RAT. All right, coming through 14. It's usually typically is 2 degrees per thousand is standard, but our ISA is changing as we get out. So 14 to minus 17 and minus 3 on the RAT. And now we're ISA minus 5. So it's actually getting colder than standard. So your lapse rate is not standard. If it was steady, it would be 2 degrees per thousand, right? Hopefully that makes sense.
481
I know
Zulu,
it's probably
contact
confusing you guys. It's easier
2725.
saying it in my head
2785
to explain it. Here comes 13. 13 is minus 17 and minus 5 on the rat. 1 to go. Still getting a little ice, getting a little trace on the windshield now. I don't have my windshield heats on though.
300 Julia Whiskey, contact ring 0 approach 124.35.
Okay, 2435 0 Julia Whiskey, good day.
Clear visual 33 going tower, pull around, good day.
Greensboro approach, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey's leveling 12,000, we have Juliet.
Where's that 300 Juliet Whiskey checking in?
Yes sir, leveling 12,000.
Number 300 Juliet Whiskey, Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 2974, expect runway 832.
740 Juliet Whiskey.
Number 8 Papa Delta, descend to maintain 4,000.
Descend to maintain 4,000, 8 Papa Delta.
Billy 803 Tango Mike, 180 descending to 13 at Jake.
Greensboro, November 333 Mike Victor, you're 1900 for 4.
Number 333 Mike Victor, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000.
I'm 10,000, 333 Mike Victor.
And 0 Juliet Whiskey's getting a trace of rime here at 12. Temperature's minus 15 and we're just right at the bases.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, roger, descend to maintain 6,000.
6,000 0 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, here coming through 11. Let's looky here.
Number 3 Mike Victor, clear direct Leopard.
Direct Leopard, 333 Mike Victor.
Number 8 Papa Delta, turn left heading 030.
Left 030, 8 Papa Delta.
11,000's minus 14 sat, minus 2 rat, and it's minus 6 on the ISA.
Check 84, descend to
you guys see
maintain
the little
3,000.
ice crystals on the windshield?
One down 3,000, flight check 84.
I'm not going to turn on my windshield heat for that though. It'll either sublimate from us going so fast in this cold air, or once it gets warm enough, it'll melt, right? Going past shallow. Alright, we can get off our engine heats now. We're in the clear. Coming through 10, we'll slow to 250 knots. It's going to flash.
3 Mike Victor, climb maintain 12,000, contact Atlanta Center 128.8 today.
12,000, 128.8, 333 Mike Victor.
Alright, here at 10, it was minus 11.
They popped out the airport, 10 o'clock,
0 on the rat. So we're still,
We had it, we're looking again, hang on, 8 Papa Delta.
feeling still pretty low.
That's 8 Papa Delta.
Number 8 Papa Delta, clear visual approach runway 32, contact tower 19.1 today.
equipped airplane.
Visual 32,
You
over
wouldn't want
tower,
to be
8 Papa
flying in the
Delta.
clouds around here because minus 10 right now.
Flight check 84, turn left heading 080, intercept
Alright,
below
at 9,
clouds.
it's still minus 10.
Intercept localizer, flight check 84.
0 on the rat.
Greensboro departure, Honda test 24, 3,500, climbing 6,000, published, missed off for 32.
24 Greensboro departure, radar contact, just advise whenever you're ready to come back for your next approach.
Okay, we'll let you know, Honda test 24.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, mid altitude, maintain 7,000.
Okay, we'll stop at 7, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, 7 set. And he should give me a turn soon because we're going straight towards the VOR on this arrival. I don't think they bring us around that way. I don't know. Oh, we're getting a little fast. Slow her down. We're going to get a ticket. And then when we get in the terminal environment, it will bug 200 knots for the speed in the terminal environment.
Afternoon, Greensboro, King Air 442 Kilo Alpha 8000.
Ooh, that guy sounded
Air
like a
442
ATIS
Kilo Alpha,
recorded.
Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 2973. Advise information November, expect runway 33.
2973, we do have November and expect 33, 2 Kilo
All right,
Alpha.
now at 7, it is minus
0 Juliet Whiskey, turn left heading 150.
150, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Hello, this is Pete.
Check 84, 12 miles from Cities, cleared ILS, runway 5 left approach.
Hello?
Cleared ILS 5 left approach, flight check 84.
Hello, this is Pete. Hello, this is Pete. Yes, it is. Can I call you back in just a few minutes? I'm in the air right now. Yeah, can I call you back in a few minutes? Let me call you back in a minute. I'm in an airplane right now. Jeez, Louisa.
Departure Lumberg 4508, 3200, calling 5000, runway heading.
Lindbergh 4508, Greensboro departure, radar contact, turn right heading 040, vector for climb.
Right turn 040, Lindbergh 4508.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, descend and maintain 4000.
4000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Lindbergh 4508, climb maintain 12000.
Climb maintain 12000, Lindbergh 4508.
There's 200 knots.
Check 84, contact tower 119.1.
1 tower, flight check 84, we'll see you.
Lindbergh 4508, turn right direct Genie, contact Washington Center 124.05, good day.
Right turn direct Genie and 124.05, Lindbergh 4508.
Oh, bumpy down here. Here at 5,000, we're still minus 4 on the sat and plus 2 on the rat.
Hello, Greensboro 222 Juliet Mike's out at 18,000, descending to 13,000.
November 222 Juliet Mike, Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 2973, descend and maintain 10,000.
At a 10,000 now, 222 Juliet Mike.
Air 2 Kilo Alpha, depart Winston, heading 210 for a left downwind. Expect a kind of a late descent once you get closer.
Heading 210 once we pass Winston, 2 Kilo Alpha.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn right heading 230.
230, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Greensboro 442 Kilo Alpha. Give us that clearance again, please.
Air 2 Kilo Alpha, depart Winston, heading 210.
Thank you. Have to cross the airport and then heading 210.
King Air 2 Kilo Alpha, affirmative for a left downwind. I have a bunch of traffic in your way on the right, on the closer side.
Gotcha. 442 Kilo Alpha, thank you.
Number 2 Juliet Mike, turn right direct Pawnee to join the NASCAR 4.
Okay, right turn direct Pawnee to join the NASCAR 4, 2 Juliet Mike.
Field's in sight for 0 Juliet Whiskey when it helps.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, clear visual approach runway 32, contact tower 19-1, good day.
Cleared visual 32 over to tower 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Autopilot.
Greensboro Tower, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey's visual 32.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, Greensboro Tower, runway 32, clear to land. The wind is 290 at 20, gust to 28.
Okay, clear to land 32, 300 Juliet Whiskey. And just for planning purposes, we're going to signature. So I'm going to make a left, go Alpha, Kilo or something.
If you can slow down in time to make Kilo, we can just give you a right turn there. If not, yeah, it'll be a left turn on Alpha 2.
Roger.
Lights are set for 5 left. You can secure them. We won't need them again. Thank you.
All right, they'll be coming down then.
All right, speed checks for full flats. We're moving. Oh, we're getting all kinds of chiming.
Flight check 84, turn left heading at 320 and contact departure on 124.35. They'll bring you back around.
320 and 2435, flight check 84, see you in a bit.
The wind is kicking. Drum's going to have a hell of a good time coming in the bearing. All right, autopilot's away. Everything's done except for the yaw damp. We'll get that short final. Now the text. I don't know if you guys can hear that jumping. I guess it's just me with my Bluetooth. All right, yaw damp's away so I can feel the wind. It's kicking. Main thing is a turbine is keep your power.
500.
Don't let it get slow. You got to stay ahead of it because it takes a while for it to respond. Altitude checks. I have no idea how far it is to Kilo. But anyways, more visual. We can dip below the glide path a little bit. Get rid of the flight director.
At 300 Juliet Whiskey, right at Kilo, and taxiing via Kilo, marked ground point enter.
Right at Kilo, monitor ground. It was easy with that headwind.
I bet.
Ooh, and that's nice looking new pavement.
Hmm.